Hey guys, it's MartyBlendz and we're back with another tutorial. In this video, I'll explain how to create a classic high combover. For any haircut, you want to start off by sectioning. Be sure to have nice clean partings and clip everything that could potentially interfere with the fade. Using a number 3, remove most of the bulk but not too much. With your trimmers, set in your baseline. Be sure that both sides are similar. Now that you removed the excess bulk, shave off all the stubble. With your lever fully open, go ahead and make a 1/2 inch guideline. Now using the 1.5 open, create a 4 inch guideline. Right above, run the number 2 open to ease any dark spots. If anything, clipper over comb can also work. Now close up the lever no guard and hit that baseline halfway through. As you go up, remember, keep opening up the lever. With your half guard halfway open, make a 1/2 inch guideline. Open up the lever fully with the same guard and go up about a 1/4 inch. If needed, use a number 1 to soften up any lines. Finally, with the lever open, no guard, use the corners to get rid of the final line you see. Towards the end, I just make sure everything looks neat and detailed. In this case, having a bulky beard was perfect because it gave off extra gradients. As for shear work, you want to leave the side that's going to come over longer than the other. Now slither and debulk. Style and always prep your client. Guys, thank you so much for sticking through. If you do enjoy the tutorials, make sure to drop a like, subscribe if you're not, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.